Mastering English Idioms. Understanding, boxed into a corner. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Boxed into a corner. This idiom is a fantastic example of how English can use vivid imagery to convey complex situations. So, if you're ready to expand your understanding and usage of English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning and use of boxed into a corner together. Boxed into a corner is an idiom that paints a picture of someone being in a tight, enclosed space with no easy way out. But don't take it literally. In everyday English, this phrase metaphorically describes a situation where a person feels trapped by circumstances, with very few options or choices left. It's as if they're in a physical corner, unable to move freely, but this corner is actually made up of challenging situations or decisions. While the exact origins of boxed into a corner are not clear, it's easy to understand how this imagery became associated with feeling trapped or constrained. The phrase is often used in contexts ranging from business negotiations to personal relationships, illustrating its versatility and relatability. When someone says they're boxed into a corner, they're expressing a feeling of pressure and limitation, seeking empathy or a way out of their predicament. To help you grasp how to use boxed into a corner in real-life conversations or writing, here are a few examples. 1. In a business meeting, we were boxed into a corner during the negotiation, with no leverage to get a better deal. 2. Personal decision-making. I felt boxed into a corner and had to choose the lesser of two evils. 3. Sports commentary. The team was boxed into a corner in the final minutes, with no chance of making a comeback. Each example showcases a scenario where the speaker faces limited options, highlighting the phrase's flexibility across different contexts. Understanding idioms like boxed into a corner can enrich your English learning journey, offering you more nuanced ways to express feelings and situations. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our conversations, making them more engaging and relatable. We hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase and its usage in English. Keep practicing, and don't let yourself get boxed into a corner with your language learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.